What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Bonk. And yes guys, unfortunately it is another red day, another 10% down, and over the week it has taken a massive 20% drop. So we're going to be looking at, is it gonna crash all the way down like I predicted, or is it getting ready for a pump going into 2024? Is it time to buy the dip right now? Should you, if you really want to invest into it, should you wait out a little bit more for it to drop further? So going through its predictions for the rest of the year and also going into 2024, can we expect anything huge from the crypto? And is it time to stock up on your Bonk? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, let's bring out the MACD indicator. So we are looking at the daily chart. Let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So minimal increases in value are expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, I am not expecting anything huge. So over the next 24 hours, in fact, I am expecting an overall drop in value. Another about 6 to 7% drop is what I'm expecting over the next 24 hours. So this time tomorrow, the crypto should have dropped down a little bit further, but in between that time it is likely to hit green candles, and over the next 12 hours potentially be valuing at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, and then potentially dropping back down again by midday to tomorrow afternoon and evening, dropping below the current price range. So an overall drop in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 24 hours. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue line is flat out going in a straight line, and the orange line is looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So over the next 7 to 8 days guys, so by mid next week, which means we will be in 2024, so very early January, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Again, we can see that the orange line is slightly slanting towards the positive direction, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected. However, in between that time, do expect more red days from Bonk. So for potentially from today to end of the week, it should start to drop down further and potentially start to gain value towards the end of this week to mid next week, meaning it should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. But nothing too crazy is expected as of yet. And if I am expecting, for example, a major crash or a major pump or anything that can have a positive or negative impact on the value of Bonk, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page or on my YouTube channel. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Let's go on to the daily chart. Next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, heading towards the bearish direction, meaning an overall drop in value is expected from Bonk over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late February and also going into March 2024. I am expecting Bonk to have dropped all the way back down. This is what I predicted at the beginning of December when the crypto started pumping, and I still stick by that as well. So an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting. I'll get into more details when I bring out the Fibonacci scale, but again, even when the crypto was pumping here in late November, mid-December, I did warn you guys just before Christmas is likely to start dropping in value, and that is exactly what's taken place. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, when it was breaking out from the red zone and then the green zone, and each of these targets was literally breaking out a week after week and sometimes day after day, guys, I did let you guys know it is bound to drop straight back down into the red zone once it's hit the top tier level here, because it has not resisted at any point after the green zone here. And right now is dropped from the top tier level to the blue zone into the dark green zone, and over the coming week or two it should drop down into the green zone here and potentially back into the red zone in late January, February, March 2024, and dropping all the way back down is what I'm expecting from Bonk over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So do expect an overall drop in value from the crypto. Again, it is not a sustainable project as far as I predicted and done my analysis, due to the fact that, let's have a look here, over the month it's gone up 287%, that is including the drop, and over the year it's done 13,000% increase, guys, and that itself should again be self-explanatory that it is not really sustainable. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has dropped down once again about 8% in the last 24 hours, making it $247 million in trading. Again, it is going to keep dropping the value and the trading volume as well, because there's not much activity on the crypto. So most people are scared to invest because it's been dropping like crazy, and a lot of people don't want to panic sell, except especially those of you guys who invested into it when it was at its highest point earlier on in December are quite on a loss at the moment, but they're probably holding on to it. So no one's selling and no one is investing. I mean, not no one, but not as many people are investing or selling the crypto, and hence why the trading volume keeps on dropping. So this is my take on Bonk, guys. I'm very intrigued to see your expectations for Bonk in 2024, especially after the drop here. Has any of your predictions or opinions on this crypto changed? Comment down below, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, if any of you guys have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Please make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, because at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.